to Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading another book from the series Learn with Peppa Pig, The Queen and Fix This Mess. Let's get started. The Queen and Fix This Mess. Peppa Pig is in a garden. I can see the Queen. The Queen sees the mud. I wish I had my boots. Will you join me? The Queen gets her boots. They all join in. Now let's do a quiz about that story. What do you see in this picture? I see the Queen. What do you see in this picture? I see the mud. What do you see in this picture? I see Peppa's boots. And what do you see in this picture? I see the garden. Now let's do a spot the difference. What can you see? I can see a flag over here, but not here. I can see an extra cloud. I can see the bus has changed color. What else can you see? I can see the Queen in this side, but not this side. And I think there's one more thing. I can see a window over here, but there's no window here. Now let's read Fix This Mess. The bedroom is a mess. We need to fix this mess. It will be a quick job. Soon the bedroom looks much better. That was fun. But Daddy Pig cannot see the car. Zoom! That was a quick car. Bang! Now let's do a quiz about that story. What can you see in this picture? I can see a book. What can you see in this picture? I can see a doll. What can you see in this picture? I can see Peppa Pig holding the car. And what can you see in this picture? Yup, I see a mess. Now, Peppa and George's bedroom is a mess. Use these pictures to tell the story in your own words. What happened first? Peppa and George's bedroom was a complete mess. What happened after? The whole family pitched in to help. What happened after? Daddy Pig was racing on the car. And what happened last? Daddy Pig fell on his head and they all were laughing. Thank you for reading this book with me. I hope you had fun doing all the quizzes. Bye! See you next time!